Hey guys, no time for
explaining
no time for explaining or anything like that. But we literally found a cane or a crane.
A crane.
Found a crane.
Bird.
Yeah, crane bird outside, literally in our backyard.
And it's taunting us.
I don't know where it went, but oh, yo, it's right there. It's on top. If you guys can see that, it's like on top of here. Oh, it's up. Yeah, guys, so we're gonna be checking it out. That's where it's more. Okay, guys, so we're outside, and if you can see, here, I'm gonna walk. It's literally over there. Okay, bro, kill it. Oh yeah, it's over there. It's fine. It's fine. Grab it. Okay, guys, we gotta catch it. Yo, if you guys seen us catch it in 4K, bro. Oh, over there. Over there. Yeah, we're gonna run closer to it. Ow! Good tips. Go. Hurry. Hey guys. Oh man. Guys, we lost it. Oh, wait. Oh, never mind. Wait, there it is.
There it is.
Oh my god. Oh, you see it flying. Yeah, flying. It's over there. It's over there. It's getting away from
Well,
shore, but yeah, we just wanted to record that.
yeah, and also,
Just me and my Omar.
and also, by the way, we thought it was kind of going to my house in the middle or what.
Yeah. Bye, guys.
Bye. Don't stay safe.
Mm-hmm. Hey guys, no time for
Explaining.
no time for explaining or anything like that. But we literally found a cane or a crane.
A crane.
Found a crane.
Bird.
Yeah, crane bird outside, literally in our backyard.
And